So, you know, Mexico. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, wait, so what's this about? It's a guy that talks about theology.
Mauricio Scott. He shows theology.
Tenemos que asegurarnos de conocer al verdadero Cristo. Si no hace sentido acá y aquí sí, es pura religiosidad. Y si hace sentido aquí y no acá, es pura incredulidad. Necesitamos llegar a la fe en la cual hay salvación. Y para eso tenemos que estar conectados, cuerpo, mente, alma, espíritu.
Today's Wednesday and I decided to come outside and take a walk around the block. Kind of like be able to find out what's around here. But before that, I'm gonna show you how the apartment looks like from the outside. Obviously, it's not the best, but it's Mexico and we're actually in the 5th floor right there. The only bad thing about it is that the stairs are pretty heavy and they're pretty, they're just very tiring. Whenever I come back from school or if I'm done with training or something and I come home, those stairs are gonna kill me. I heard there's like a park more down there. Or like future car. I'm still like processing this whole thing of me staying here for a while. So they're always guarding the place where we live around with. The main reason why they have those is because it is like the nicest around here. Like if you guys can see, like the houses are very like well constructed. That is gnarly. I still have no idea what these are for. I think they're for like trash. They're usually like around every corner of the streets. Freaking, I forget what brand that is, but that's like popping here. Like people always have those cars around here. I'm honestly just recording because they say that this part of the city is safe. I should buy a pepper spray. Freaking Miata. It's not that nice. I've been talking so much that I forgot the way to get back. I think I just went all straight, but that's rad. A lot of people have been asking me what this means. I have a Patagonia hat, and they're like, ¿Qué es eso? Patagonia. I'm surprised. I mean, they have Vans here, they have Converse and Adidas, but I kind of want to keep it original and like just stick to what I have when I'm dressing up here. But like I said, if I come back and I'm wearing something tight, don't judge me. It's fashion. Okay, I legit thought I saw a kid like just driving a dirt bike. Cali? Okay, if I meet these people, I'm hoping they're from over there because I need friends. Where it's the back of the school and this is where the fields are. My apartments are gonna be up there. So my view are those trees and basically some parts of the field. Every morning when I wake up, or at least on weekends, I always hear people yelling with their like trumpets or random matracas, you know. But it's pretty cool just because there's like a lot of energy and you just see so many people like training for the little kids actually. So my guess is that that's the school team. It's pretty legit. I thought they're gonna be more like, I don't know, like less official. And they're very official. The coach just literally made them run like a whole mile. And about the weather, it's been cloudy, but like very fresh. Obviously, part of that is not even the clouds, it's like smoke. I'm gonna come back during the rain again, so I'm gonna have no summer at all. What the H? I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like me talking to the camera, I feel like I'm talking to my friends from over there. Obviously, people look at me like, what the is that guy talking to? Or for example, I imagine myself talking to my dad or my mom or Echo Nut, Abraham, or Emma, or Zulu. Y'all better judge, I don't care. Shout out to Caesar. Hey guys, my name is Johnny. It's just crazy, look at her. Racist. Okay, I just noticed that their uniform is a Chivas uniform, so screw them. I hope they lose, I hope their school sucks. America all the way. No manches, está lloviendo. Okay, so now I'm entering my apartment. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about with the stairs. So these are the freaking stairs I have to go up to. Now turn. There's another one. So then another one. Oh my freaking guy, I'm freaking dead. Another one. Like I said, someday I'm gonna drop my phone down there. I already know it. The view. Oh crap! It's raining hard. Apúrale. And the last steps. Then it's our door. We are 7. Here, then you open the door. Hola, buenas tardes. That's our neighbor. They're old people and they're nice. We get the view of 2 couches, a plant that is fake, I think. The main couches. As you can tell, the walls are empty, but we are gonna decorate them for sure. I'm gonna have a big picture of me right there, and one of Gizmo right there. So yeah, there's a living room. It's not that big. Out the window, you just see our parking spots. Nancy's car should be right there, but she's not here yet. As you enter, we have the left, which is the kitchen, the right, which is the dining room. We're missing a ball. The kitchen, which is like a hallway, but it's pretty comfy. We have the microwave. We have the vodka. I'm just kidding. The sauces, the ajo. I just washed the dishes. I have our laundry right there. My stinky shirt. We have an extra little sink so we could, like, you know, old school, to wash the clothes like that. I don't know what the heck that is. Electricos. Probably. Oh, I think that's where you turn on the power. Dining room. Straight ahead is Nancy's room. For the first time, it's clean. It's usually always messy. I'm kidding. It's never messy. It's Nancy. Come on. Very simple too. She doesn't have anything on the walls. She's been waiting for me to help her out. This is basically how my room is right now too, and I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's it. She has a mirror right here. What's up? I don't have a mirror, so I'm probably gonna steal this. Out to the window, and then, like, again, look, I was right there. I was sitting right behind that red van. Okay, so her chanclas. Okay, so now we leave the room. We turn here, and since our bathroom is really small, we have our sink outside, out of the bathroom. So it's this one. What's up? It's very fancy looking actually, but don't let it fool you. Watch. If you turn on the water, once it comes down, all of this falls down there, which I have to clean up. Or sometimes when I'm washing my hands or like brushing my teeth, all the water wets my crotch, makes it look like I peed. So I'll probably fix it somehow. Colgate. Yeah. So now we're gonna enter the bathroom. Voila. That's where we pregame. That more fake. No, these are real plants actually. Oh wow, they're real. Good job. Yeah, I finished that. And right there is the shower. Even has a cooler mirror for when, like, as you're showering, you're like, I was feeling all cool because I was seeing my hair all wet. It's so weird. I don't know. Oh, leaving the bathroom. You turn left and it's my room. Boom. I have a closet right there. All the walls are empty, like I said, so I'm gonna have to put like something. I'll probably put like some panorama from Cali, or the only bad thing is that we cannot paint. Alexi Mario from 2000. Wow. My backpack, which is somehow on the ground. What if I have a ghost in here? So yeah. Oh, my undies. Don't look at that. So hangers, extra hangers. I haven't really organized this section yet. My shoes will go there. Since I brought some clothes from Cali, I hung them up. They're all color coded because that's how I am. I don't know. That's weird. And the window with the view of the soccer field again. Yeah, and that was just a small tour of my apartment. But yeah, hopefully when people come visit, it will look better. That couch turned into a bed, so yay. If you guys ever try to steal anything, I'll be like, oh, what's up? What do you want to do, you know? If I ever get like serenata somehow, you know, it'll be right there. Mexico. Wow, that looks really nice. So now, I think I'm just gonna go work out.